Hello, fashion lovers, and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. If you find this channel interesting, if you find this video informative, please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and leave your comments in the comment box. Today, we are starting a new series with the name 100 Drafts and Patterns, in which we'll be learning the pattern making and drafting, which is a very important aspect of fashion designing. To start with this lesson, guys, first you need to learn how to take measurements. So in today's video we'll be learning the basic steps to take the measurement and what the measurements we required to complete a garments. So let's start, guys. Very first measurement we require is the crossback. Crossback is the difference between the both shoulder bones. That means you have to measure the difference between the shoulder bone. You keep the measuring tape on one shoulder bone and define till the second collarbone, this shoulder bone, and you'll get to know the crossback. The next is all round chest or all round bust. All round bust is the measurement around the bust or the chest at the apex point. That means 2 to 3 inches below the armpit. Keep the this measuring tape from the armpit, from the back, and then you may take this measurement, which is the all round chest or all round. Next is waist length. Waist length is the difference between the shoulder and the waist. Generally it is taken from the back, because on front there are the shapes on the body. So from the back you will get the exact waist length, that means from shoulder to the waist. Next is all round waist. All round waist, that means the measurement around the waist. You take the measurement of the where you have put the waist length, which is the most curved area of the body, and you will get the all round waist. Hip length or seat length. Hip length actually is a measurement from shoulder to hip, or sometime it is measured like when to keep you sit and start from waist to the seat. So it is waist length or seat length, depends which we are using in which garment. Next is all round hips. This is the around measurement, all round measurement of the hip area. That means the where you will get the most bulk is the actually hip, and you have to measure the entire area and you will get the all round hips. Now let's see the trouser measurements. First is trouser length. Trouser length is always is to be measured from the waist to the toe. This is actually the trouser length from waist to toe. Other measurements are, first, if you want to make a fitted trouser, so you always need where you have to give the fitting. So we have to take the lengths from waist to knee, it would be knee length. From waist to thigh, it would be thigh length. From waist to calf, it would be calf length. And from waist to ankle, it though it is ankle length, but generally people even do say it full length. And all these area we have to measure the around also, so that we can give the proper fitting to the pant. Generally in the cases of churidars, generally in the cases of fitted pants, generally in the cases of hipsters, so generally we require these measurements, so we'll be taking this for the trouser. One more measurement which is always required to sew a trouser or to draft a trouser is crotch measurements. There are two type of crotch measurement. Some people do take it as a crotch length or the crotch level, that is from waist to the crotch, that means the leg pit, right? And if you want the round crotch, in some garments we require the round crotch where we want a proper fitting on the at the crotch level. So at that time you have to start from the front of the waist, and then you have to keep it from the leg pit, and you have to measure it till the back of the waist. So last but not the least is the sleeve length. There are two type of, or there are various type of sleeve lengths maybe. It depends upon the person who is getting the draft or who is making the draft. But generally there are two lengths which are very important to take. One is full sleeve length. Full sleeve length is always from shoulder to the upper bone of your thumb. It is always been measured in that way. And the half sleeve length is always a length which is from shoulder to the elbow. So these two length we generally use. And just like the trouser, if you are preparing a fitted sleeve, you can take the different levels. That means the elbow, the lower elbow, the upper elbow, the wrist, and you may take the around measurements of these areas also, the lengths and the around measurement, just like the trouser. So there is no need to explain it again and again. So this is the measurement techniques. So thank you for watching this video, fashion lovers. In the next video, we'll be meeting with the new drafts, with the new techniques. And till then, bye bye. See you.